is modesty, honor, beauty from practicing women. We do it with honor and we do it with dignity, and at the end of the day, we don't owe anybody any explanation on it. But we do celebrate it with education and awareness, and we appreciate that you all are here to celebrate it with us. The hijab is just that. It is what we do at its best as practicing Muslim women. And I would like to invite Deputy Mayor Sheila Lalonde to say a few words here today. Thank you for being here, Sheila. Don Scott is out of town, and Sheila is here to help us out.
Thank you, Karen. Good afternoon, everyone. I want to begin by recognizing we are on Treaty 8 unceded Métis territory. On behalf of Mayor Scott and Council, I am delighted to be here today. I'd like to give a special shout out to my council colleagues, Verna Murphy and Stroud. I don't see any others who are here with us as well. Today we're joining people in almost 150 countries around the world by celebrating World Hijab Day. Women of all faiths and backgrounds are coming together and wearing the hijab to show solidarity with our Muslim sisters. It's incredible to look around here today and see so many smiling faces and see beautiful colors. This event is important for many reasons. Globally, it recognizes the millions of Muslim women who choose to wear the hijab, but it also supports religious inclusion, promotes multiculturalism, and celebrates the diversity here at home. And let's not forget that it helps build bridges between residents by providing a fun and relaxed atmosphere in which to ask questions and to learn about wearing the hijab. Above all, today is an opportunity to get to know our Muslim sisters better, to increase our awareness about local religions and cultures, and to strengthen bonds across our diverse community. This event truly reflects the beauty and spirit of Wood Buffalo. I'd also like to thank everyone who came out today to show your support, and perhaps even try a hijab for yourself. Enjoy the afternoon, everyone. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and hello. My name is Ikra Tahir and I am a student of McMurray Islamic School grade 7. And I am proud to be standing here to be able to talk about how hijab impacts my daily life. Hijab to me is an act of obedience to my God and a symbol of my faith. To me, hijab is a gift and not an oppression. It's expressing myself and being who I am.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and good afternoon friends. It's great to see another strong Stroud supporting World Hijab Day. Thank you McMurray for coming out and celebrating our diversity and the strength of our very vibrant community. I'm Mary Moraine, a 16-year-old grade 12 student at Westwood High School. I was asked today to take a moment and share why hijab is important to me and how it allowed me in achieving my true potential. As an avid traveler, one of my proudest discussions overseas is about the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, and how it makes us a unique nation, values our individual freedoms, and celebrates diversity and inclusion as key pillars of our society. My hijab is my identity. It is an allegiance to upholding the highest code of modesty, but more importantly, it is also affirming sisterhood and solidarity with all who are standing against the tide of xenophobia and unjust laws that attack individual liberties of religious minorities. Is hijab a hindrance to success? This recent top 20 under 20 recipient doesn't think so. Thank you. Hijab strong.
Very well said. Top 20 under 20. I think that'll be my new nickname, Top 20 under 20. That's she is. She was just inducted into the list last year. So very well said. Thank you. It is the highest honor for a Muslim when we choose to wear it, and yes, we do choose to wear it, ladies and gentlemen. It is the highest honor. It's a lifestyle choice. It's the one that does not stop us from anything, and if you think hijab can stop us, just ask those questions, right? Swimming, tennis, badminton, name a sport, there are hijabi athletes out there. Anything, any walk of life, there are leaders out there, and these are leaders that you see here today. Our youth volunteers, our committee, our sisters who are standing up of all faiths. This is what sisterhood looks like, and again, it takes not a religion, not a color, not a creed. All it takes is believing in respect